Bad audio can ruin an otherwise great video. Well, today we're taking a look at OBS Studio audio settings for beginners and how to make your recording sound their very best in less than 3 minutes. Open OBS Studio, go down to the bottom right and click Settings. And on the left, click Audio. This is where OBS manages your microphone and desktop audio devices. For most beginners, the most important setting is selecting the correct microphone. Under Global Audio Devices, set the mic auxiliary audio to your microphone. If you have multiples connected like I do, be sure you select the one that you intend to use. Then you can click OK and look at the mixer and make sure it's moving. You want to aim for audio levels that peak inside this yellow mark. That'll give you your best sound. If your microphone constantly hits up in the red, you want to go here and back off on the volume some. If your sound is barely moving, it's way over here on the left, then it may be the gain control that's on the body of your microphone. If you have a dial on the side of your microphone, that controls gain, which controls the amplification of the signal going into your system. There's a couple of filters that help tremendously with your sound. If you select Mic Aux, go to Filters and click. To add a filter, you can go down to the bottom left and click the plus sign and you have some choices. I'd recommend these two, Noise Suppression and Noise Gate. The noise suppression helps filter background noises like fans, keyboard clicks, and a lot of others. The noise gate will cut off all audio below a certain set decibel limit. Select noise suppression and you have two options in the drop down, one good quality, one low quality, but it depends on what your CPU will allow. Under noise gate, you'll get some default settings that you may have to tweak, but the combination of these two filters will noticeably improve audio quality. It'll cut out the background noise so your voice comes through crisp and clear. Those are OBS audio settings that every beginner should know. If you want more videos that answer your questions without wasting your time, just come back to see us. If you've got questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.